Today's first news is on 19th August, the division level skill development class of South Jharkhand Division inaugural session was held at Vaishnav Durga Mandir, Latehar, in the presence of Rashtriya Mahamantri of Ekal Abhiyan and Kendriya Pramukh of Gramothan Yojana, Honorable Lalan Sharma. The chief guest was Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, and along with him, the zonal committee members, senior workers, and trainees were present on the occasion. Second news: a grand program of Bhajan Sandhya and Ras Leela was concluded by the R.K. Puram department. The musical presentation of the program was done by the Ekal Sur Dal team, which filled all the devotees with devotion. This program was concluded at Maharaja Agrasen Vatika, Mehroli. Everyone participated enthusiastically in the program. Third news: on August 22nd, a certificate distribution program was held at the Ekal Gramothan Center in Karanjo. Certificates were distributed in the presence of Mr. Vinod Agarwal, Zonal Head of P3 Division. 105 students from WEC were present to receive certificates. Fourth news: the Acharya and Sevavrati workers of the Border Security Force and Ekal Abhiyan jointly took a pledge to protect the environment and organized a tree plantation program. On this occasion, Commandant Srimati Shushma Dohan praised Ekal Vidyalaya. Fifth news: a 7-day skill development class of workers concluded in Bagalkot from 17 to 23rd August. This class took place in the North Bagalkot district. All the zonal workers of North and South Karnataka divisions were present. In the closing ceremony, the officials of the Bagalkot committee distributed gifts to the workers. Sixth news: Ekal Abhiyan CSR Department workshop was organized by Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad on 25th August at Ekal Bhavan, Pitampura, in which National President Akhil Kumar Gupta ji said, transparency and strong reporting system related to CSR department will further strengthen the belief that the contribution of every donor is reaching the children directly. Rashtriya Mahamantri Rajiv Agrawal ji, Central CSR Head Kameshwar ji were present in the meeting. Seventh news: on 22nd August, an Evening for the Nation and Culture program organized by Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, East Delhi chapter was concluded with enthusiasm in Noida. The main objective of the meeting was to connect the renowned donors of the society with Ekal to provide education to the needy children living in rural and tribal areas. Chief Guest Union Minister Shri Harsh Malhotra said in his address that Ekal Vidyalaya is not only providing education to the children of rural and tribal areas, but is also connecting them with Indian values. National Chairman Mr. Neeraj Raizada, Mr. P.K. Jain, Mr. Akhil Gupta, Mr. Sunil Gupta and many other dignitaries were also present in the program.